Chapter. Which chapter is going on? Which chapter is going on? Hmm? The Wand of Love. Who is the character, main character of this story? Bruno. Bruno is the main character of the story. That is a bear, and by accident he has been brought by the narrator to home. And after bringing, Bruno became so attached to his wife, and slowly and gradually it became favorite of each and every one. Either the pet dogs of the narrator, the wife of narrator, the son of narrator, or even the neighbors or tenants of the narrator, everyone likes Bruno so much. But I am speaking so loudly. Kanak, is my voice audible to everyone? Students, is my voice audible to everyone? Please reply to me. Re- कट रहा है? तो यहाँ तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ बिल्कुल क्लियर, आवाज आनी चाहिए. बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली आवाज नहीं आ रही है. The pet of the narrator or the son or neighbors of the narrator, everyone liked him so much. But slowly and gradually, so the narrator and his son, both of them advised narrator's wife to send Bruno in a zoo that will be the suitable place for the bear. But in the beginning, she was not ready for that. But she was also understanding the problem which was happening with other persons as the size of Bruno was becoming larger and larger. So they had fear. After all, he was an animal, so he may hurt anyone. So, for the safety point of view, it was decided that Bruno should be sent in a zoo that is a suitable place for him. As I have told you in the beginning, she was not ready for that, but later on, she was convinced by the narrator and his son. Both of them convinced her by giving the point of safety for other persons also. And in this way, the Bruno was sent in a zoo. इसके बाद ब्रूनो को जो है वो जू में सेंड कर दिया गया. आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी? आवाज आ रही है मेरी? You can see Bruno is in the cage and he is going to his new home, that is a zoo. Do you think Bruno was happy that time? Of course, he was not happy. And not only he, the other persons were also unhappy to send him in a zoo. But it was their compulsion because of his large size. As the size was being larger and larger day after day, it was becoming impossible to keep him at home. So everyone missed him very greatly. But in a sense, they were relieved that he would be looked after in the zoo very well. As far as narrator's wife is concerned, so she was inconsolable. Inconsolable means she was very sad, she was weeping, she was crying, she was doing all that. Means she did not want to send Bruno in the zoo, but it was a compulsion for her also, because it's a matter of safety for other persons. She wept and fretted also. Fretted means to be irritated. And for the first few days, she did not eat anything because her Bruno was not with her. And she always thinks of Bruno, if he would have taken food or not. This type of questions used to haunt in her mind. Then at last she wrote a number of letters to the curator. Curator means Jew in charge. And she asked so many questions, such as how was Baba? And back came the replies, well, but fretting. He refuses food to eat. And the answer, the reply came from there that he is okay, but he is very fretting. He is very irritated now. And he refuses to eat. वो भी खाने से इनकार कर रहा. Who is refusing? Bruno. So we can understand that the situation is the same either with the wife of narrator or Bruno. Both are not happy after being separated. His wife is also irritated. She has also left eating. And on the other hand, Bruno was also having the same situation. He had also become irritated and he does not want to take any food. Means he wants to return his home, does not want to live in the zoo. Okay, after that, it was decided that all of them will go to see Bruno in the zoo. अब सारे लोग ने डिसाइड किया कि कुछ दिन हो गए, they would go and see Bruno in the zoo, how he was living there, वो कैसे रह रहा है, एक बार चलकर देखा जाए, how he was getting along, and they reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. तब तक उधर से जवाब आया कि सी द बियर ब्रूनो वाज गेटिंग थिनर एंड थिनर डे आफ्टर डे. So when someone leaves eating, does not accept food, of course he would become thinner and thinner. Same thing was happening with Bruno. Then narrator's wife insisted on going to the zoo to see Baba, and she said that she would go there. Either either her husband take her to the zoo or not. She would not care for that. If he does not take her to the zoo, she will go alone there. वो अगर नहीं भी लेके जाएगा तो वो खुद जाएगी, either by bus or train. But she wants to see her Baba. She wants to see her Bruno at any cost. Whether someone helps her or not, it is not a matter for concerning of her. So in this way, she has decided to go over there. Narrator's friend told him that he should take his wife to the zoo, otherwise the situation will be uncontrollable. Some of the friends guessed that Bruno would not recognize the narrator's wife. कुछ लोगों ने गेस किया कि ब्रूनो अब उसको पहचान नहीं पाएगा. Even the narrator also thought the same thing. Narrator ने भी यही सोचा. But while she was yet some yards from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. But when they reached the zoo, the friends of the narrator and narrator realized that Baba had recognized his wife very well. And by seeing his expression, it can be realized by anyone that he has very well recognized. And he howled with happiness. Howl means a type of sound of beer. So he is making happy sound, by which you can understand he is happy now. Narrator's wife also ran up to him and patted him through the bars, and he stood on his head in delight. ब्रूनो इतना खुश हो गया कि अपने सिर के बल वो खड़ा हो गया. ही इज वेरी हैप्पी नाउ. तो उन लोगों ने सोचा था कि वो लोग उसको ब्रूनो पहचान पाएगा कि नहीं पहचान पाएगा, लेकिन ब्रूनो ने उसको पहचान लिया. For the next 3 hours, she would not leave that cage, and she gave him tea, lemonade, cakes, ice cream, and what not. Means for 3 hours continuously, narrator's wife kept on standing there. and Bruno also enjoying the company of the narrator's wife. She had brought so many eatable things which is liked by Bruno, such as ice cream, cakes, tea, lemonade. All these are favorite of Baba. Then closing time came and they had to leave. So you know there is a time of visiting in zoo. After closing time, each and every one has to leave the zoo. क्लोजिंग टाइम के बाद जू को छोड़कर आपको बाहर आना होगा. बट द नरेटर्स वाइफ क्राइड बिटरली एंड बाबा टू. When the closing time came, both narrator's wife and Baba cried bitterly. They don't want to be separated from each other. Even the hardened curator and keepers felt depressed. और यहाँ तक कि वो क्यूरेटर जो इंचार्ज है उस जू का और वहाँ पे जो कर्मचारी लोग हैं वो भी जब इस सीन को देखते हैं तो काफी दुखी हो जाते हैं, परेशान हो जाते हैं. And as far as narrator is concerned, he had reconciled himself to what he knew was going to happen next. नरेटर भी समझ चुका है कि अब इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, because it is very difficult to separate both of them. So at last the result will be the same as he was thinking. He knew that he had to bring Bruno once again home because his wife would not be ready to leave him in the cage, to leave him in the zoo. She asked the curator, the narrator's wife, the narrator's wife asked the curator, may I have my Baba back? क्या मैं अपने बाबा को वापस ले जा सकती हूँ? Hesitantly he answered, Madam, he belongs to the zoo and is government property now. The curator tries to make her understand that after bringing in the zoo, it has become the property of government and it cannot be given anyone personally. So he says that he cannot give away government property. It is not in his hand. But if his boss, the superintendent who lives at Bangalore, if he agrees, certainly she may have him back. Actually, he is also very sad to see the scene, how both of them were crying bitterly. And he also wanted that Bruno should go back to his home. But he was only curator. He was not the superintendent. So it was not in hand to allow. So he suggested the fantastic idea to the narrator's wife that if superintendent agrees to her proposal, she would be able to take Bruno back to her home. Is it clear to everyone? हाँ. After having this information, the narrator's wife did not lose even a minute. All of them followed the return journey to Bangalore and they visited the superintendent's bungalow. ये इंफॉर्मेशन के बाद उन्होंने जरा भी समय नहीं गंवाया. And everyone who was with the narrator's wife, they reached or returned Bangalore and went to meet superintendent. A tearful pleading, Baba and I are both fretting for each other. There the narrator's wife says to the superintendent, having some tears in her eyes, that not only she but also Baba both are fretting for each other. They are restless. They cannot live without each other. It is impossible to live now. Will you please give him back to me? Sir, क्या आप मुझे उसे लौटा देंगे? The superintendent was a kind-hearted man and he understood the situation very well, that both of have the same sort of love for each other, whether Bruno was an animal. But you know, when someone has been living with us for a long time, we have a special place for him in our heart. And it doesn't matter that he is either a human or animal or whatever. We are human, we have some humanity, and if our humanity is alive, of course such type of situation is faced by us if we are not heartless. So narrator's wife is not heartless here. Bruno was not a pet for the narrator's wife. Bruno was not a bear for narrator's wife. Bruno was just a child, still just her baby, just her son for her. And that is why she does not want to be separated. The kind-hearted superintendent consented. उसने अपनी सहमति दे दी. And not only that, but he wrote a letter to the curator telling him to lend them a cage for transporting the bear to Bangalore. काफी अच्छा आदमी था. उसने सिर्फ लेटर लिख करके अपने क्यूरेटर को कहा कि ब्रूनो को बैक कर दो, वापस लौटा दो, और इतना ही नहीं, साथ ही साथ ये भी कहा कि एक अच्छे से केज की व्यवस्था करो ताकि उसकी ट्रांसपोर्टिंग हो सके. तो when your love is genuine, it is truth, then everyone understands it. यहाँ पे हर कोई जो है उन दोनों के बीच के जो प्रेम को समझ पा रहा है. और in this way, back they went to Mysore again armed with the superintendent's letter. उसके बाद वो सुपरिटेंडेंट का लेटर को लेकर के वापस वो गया. Baba was driven into a small cage and hoisted on top of the car, as you can see in the picture. And the cage was tied securely, and a slow and careful return journey to Bangalore was accomplished. And in this way, Baba returned his home, and the narrator's wife is very happy. Not only narrator's wife, but also Bruno. As you can see in the picture, Bruno has been loaded on the car. Can you see? Done. What is the arrangement? So let us see. You can see there. An island was made for Baba. अब बाबा चूंकि बड़ा हो चुका है, तो narrator realized what he wanted. He made an island for Baba, and it was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide. 20 फीट लंबा और 15 फीट चौड़ा है. And was surrounded by a dry pit or moat 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. आप देख सकते हैं चारों तरफ